free swag, laptops, food, fancy chairs, nice office setups with bean bags, and the great salary with the unlimited leave, great benefits, right? We will have it all. But first, let's get your first software developer role. Welcome to Devs Like Us Office Hours. Let's discuss landing your first role as a software developer. First, let's do some fun facts. Forbs Technology Council reported there are 920,000 unfilled positions for software engineers in the US and only 165,000 potential applicants. It takes 50% longer to hire talent for tech roles than other positions. The study also showed that it takes on average 66 days to find the right person to file for a tech role, and I'm pretty sure it's a lot longer than that. So if you're interested in tech, or more specifically software engineering, these stats are probably not a big surprise to you. One of the biggest selling points of starting a career in tech is the demand for the skill set, combined with, of course, the salary and benefits. So what are some good steps for landing your first dev position? It might not seem like it, but we all have options. Some may be more obvious than others, but we all have options. There are about 3 different ways people prepare to become a software engineer. 1 is the traditional college route. 2 is going to a boot camp and cutting out some of that extra learning and experience you get in college, but kind of getting straight to the point, getting a hands-on experience. And the third option is actually an option, not really an option at all if you want to be a software engineer, and that's being self-taught. That's right. If you're going to be a software engineer, developer, DevOps engineer, anything technical, you're going to get a healthy dose of teaching yourself something. After college graduation, boot camp, or even going through only the self-taught route, the biggest difference is in college, you have a chance to do an internship. And you do with others, but with college, it's like a must. Other than that, my advice would be the same for all of these routes. You want to build relationships. That's really important. You want to take advantage of social media like blog posts, LinkedIn, Twitter, Dev2. You also want to learn outside of school and or your boot camp. No one program can hand feed you everything you need. They enable you to learn, yes, the basics, and they help strengthen your skill set from there but they really need you to, after that, go out and seek more knowledge for yourself as well. Next is never stop learning data structures. Personally, when I was in school, I actually had data structures relatively early in my curriculum. And while I did take the class seriously, I didn't truly appreciate the importance of that course and how important it is to develop high quality software, and also how important data structures is as in a part of like your technical interview process. You need to know it on the back of your hand. Personally, I did not keep that knowledge as fresh as I should have during school, and I actually had to do a lot of refreshing. So think of it like this. If you're a professional athlete, you're expected to stay in shape. If you want to be a professional software developer, you need to know your data structures and algorithms, and you need to keep it fresh. When it's time to interview, there might not be time to Google search and apply that knowledge that you searched. So don't go too long without trying to improve in that area and staying fresh. You don't want to have to always spend a lot of time refreshing on those things. So next, take advantage of internship opportunities. This is huge for college students especially, and it's great for anyone. You want to also build side projects. This is one for everyone, but even more so for boot camp graduates, and that's take advantage of these free open courses. Even though you're going through boot camp, you can still get the same college lectures through resources like MIT. It can be as simple as listening to lectures at your own pace, and there are some really brilliant minds out there, and they actually make their lectures open and free to everyone to watch. Final advice is enjoy the journey. So hopefully this was some helpful information. Also, I'm pretty sure there's some things that we might not have added. Make sure to put it in the comments for others to be able to benefit from. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.